All right, let's take 1/4 to the 4th power. So what does that mean? Essentially, we're taking 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4. So we're multiplying 1/4 by itself 4 times. And that looks like this here. You could think of it this way, though. You could think of it as 1 to the 4th, because you have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. That's 1 to the 4th over 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That's 4 to the 4th. So this is a kind of nice way to think about it. 1 to the 4th, that's just 1. But 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, that would be 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, that's 64. Then 64 times 4, that's 256. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is 256. So 1/4 to the 4th power is 1 over 256. This is really small. When we multiply fractions, we're taking a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a fraction here. It should get smaller. So this makes sense. That's how you do it. That's how you figure out 1/4 to the 4th power. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.